everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Keje, the face behind Glambykejie. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on my model Vivan gel. First, I'm cleansing her face with Garnier micellar water to remove dirt on her face. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. I'm done cleaning her face with my Kiss Beauty setting spray. Then I'll allow it to dry properly. I went in with my Snail mucin from Blossom moisturizer to apply on her face. Then I went straight to my Blossom makeup moisturizer to hydrate her face. For primer, I'm using my Adventure primer. Using my white Glam beauty blender, so soft. For my foundation, I'm using the shades 06 and 12. Then I'm applying it on my model face. I'm using my beauty blender to blend the foundation into her face properly. For her cream contour, I'm using Adventure concealer in the shade 09 on her forehead and under her cheekbone. Then I'll blend it upwards. For my blush, I'm using my lip palette from Art and I'm blending it on the cheek, on her forehead and on top of her nose. A little on her nose, not much. Then I'll blend it upward. Then I'll hydrate her face with my hydrating setting spray. For my highlighting, I'm using my Adventure concealer in the shade 06 and 04 to blend everything out for a flawless finish. Now that I'm done concealing her face, I went in with my Adventure setting powder in the shade Vanilla to set her under eye, her forehead, her nose. Using my pressed powder all over her face. I don't know the name, but I'm going to put the name on the description. My nose contour, I'm using the same pressed powder palette. For my powder blush, I'm using my V Beauty in the shade red and a touch of dark brown to add a warmness to her cheek. Next, I'm baking her face with my Nuban Beauty setting powder in the shade Camera. On her forehead, under the eye and under the cheek. I'm using my Adventure eyeliner in the shade Black to line her waterline. Next, I'm dusting out the excessive powder and the eyeshadow fallout. Sorry guys, my phone store was for a video, the eyeshadow and eyebrow. I'm setting her whole face, I'm using my Avour lip gloss to line her lip. Came around and she helped me tie the veil, so you guys should read the makeup in the comment section, and please guys, you guys should like, subscribe and share. Bye.